Today, as always, I'm here to bring you the numbers to win the lottery, the Baloto, the chance, the national lottery, or any game of chance and fortune, invoking three fundamental elements that everyone knows and everyone has. Let's say we have a brother, and that brother was born in 1995, 1998, 1998. We need 8 digits, and let's assume we only have one brother, and we'll say he was born in 1998. It's important to clarify that if we have 2 or more brothers, here we would put the birth date of the older brother, and here we would put the year of the older brother's birth date. The birth date of our younger brother. In this example, we only have one brother, who was born in 1998. We're going to repeat it, 1998. I repeat, here we're going to put the birth date of our older brother and our younger brother. If we are the oldest, then we're just going to put the younger brother's year here, like in this case, 1998 to 1998. Now we're going to play a bit with positive and negative energies. Sometimes I get asked, JGO, Magic, why do you use negative forces? Let's remember that energetic life balances itself through the law of compensation. Not everything in life is positive. Not everything in life is negative. There has to be a law of compensation. So we'll put things here. More, less, more, less, more, less, more, less. Now let's put down our year of birth. Let's say we were born in 1982. We'll put down 1982, 982, and we repeat 1982. And here we're just going to do the addition, subtraction, and division that we were taught since we were kids. The sum, subtraction, addition, and subtract, and we'll just convert 1 plus 1 to equal 2. So we'll put the number 2 here, and we'll note that 9 minus 9 equals 0. So let's say that 9 plus 8 equals 17, we'll say it equals 17. 8 minus 2 equals 6, and 1 plus 1. It equals 2, it's just going to come out for us. The same numbers, 0, 17, and the number 6 and the number 6. And here we start to see what the mystical number is, the magic number, the sacred number that's going to lead us to win the lottery. The lottery, the lotto, or any game of chance and fortune. Now that we're going to do this, let's put at the top. So we'll say it ended up being 2. We'll say it ended up being 0. We'll say it ended up being 17. We'll say it ended up being 6. And again, we ended up with 2. We ended up with 0. We ended up with 17. And we ended up with 6. So we ended up with the magic number, the mystical number, the energetic number. Now, what are we going to do? Let's play with the third element. The third element, let's remember, is the number 7 as the mystical number, the magic number, the sacred number of numerology. To attract happiness, fortune, money, and to bring in the financial freedom that we desire so much. Now we're going to invoke numerology to attract money. And with this, we're going to create 2 sources, positive energy and negative energy. We're going to bring in the law of compensation, and we're going to start bringing from more to less, from more to less, from more to less. And we'll say here the positive force of more, 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 more. And we'll start playing with the minus, the minus, the minus, and the minus. Now we're going to bring in the mystical number, the magic number, the sacred number, which is 7, to invoke the law of attraction with the number 7. And we'll put 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. We'll place the little line here and simply do the additions and subtractions that we've been taught since we were kids. That the case, we will say that 7 plus 2 will equal 9. It is equal to 9. Let's say that 7 plus 0 will equal 7. Let's say then that 17 plus 7 will equal 24. Let's put 24 here. Let's put that 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Yes, gentlemen, it is equal to 13. Now let's say that 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Let's say that 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Let's say that 17 minus 7, how much will that be? Well, it will equal 10. And we'll say that 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6, putting the bigger number first, will equal 1. And with this, we will begin to look at how we put together the magical number, the sacred number, to win any game of chance, any lottery. It could be the lotto, the boloto, the chance, the national lottery, or in business when we need to invest. In the stock market, in trading, in any of these ways that involve money and economic development. And we're going to use these numbers because we're already attracting through the natural cycle of our brothers or sisters with our natural cycle of our birth date. And the mystical magical number is number 7. So here we're just going to erase this, and I'm going to tell you how we're going to use the mystical number, the magical number, the sacred number to win the lotto, the boloto, or to use it in our businesses. And so we will have this beautiful number that says 9, 7, 2, 4, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 0, and 1. And we can erase it now. We're just going to confirm it. 9, 7, 2, 4, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 0, and 1. I think we got it just right here. And this is the mystical number, the magical number that just came up with the example. How are we going to use it when they ask us? A single digit number. From here to there, from here to there, I repeat, from here to there. So, if they ask us for a number, it will be 9. If they ask for 2 numbers, it will be 97. 3 digits or 3 numbers, 972. 4 digits, 9,724. 5 digits, 97241. Another digit will be here, another digit will be here, another digit will be here, and so on. And we simply achieve this with the energy, law of our closest family members with whom we have a direct energetic bond, which are our siblings. Also with the number 7 and our birth date. That's how it is. I hope you enjoyed this ritual, this portal that we're opening to bring in the energy and abundance. And as always, we'll see each other next time. Bye.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.